Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on database. In this session we will learn about PL/SQL. Let's start. What is PL/SQL in database? PL/SQL is a block-structured language. The programs of PL/SQL are logical blocks that can contain any number of nested sub-blocks. PL/SQL stands for Procedural Language Extension of SQL that is used in Oracle. PL/SQL is integrated with Oracle Database since version 7. The functionalities of PL/SQL usually extended after each release of Oracle Database. Although PL/SQL is closely integrated with SQL language, yet it adds some programming constraints that are not available in SQL. Now let's talk about some functionalities of PL/SQL. It allows declaration of constants and variables, procedures and functions, types and variable of those types and triggers. It can support array and handle exceptions, runtime errors. Can create PL/SQL units like procedures, functions, packages, types and triggers, etc. With PL/SQL, you can use SQL statements to manipulate Oracle data and flow of control statements to process the data. A line of PL/SQL text contains groups of characters known as lexical units. It can be classified as follows: delimiters, identifiers, literals, and comments. Now let's talk about the PL/SQL variables. A variable is a meaningful name which facilitates a programmer to store data temporarily during the execution of code. It helps you to manipulate data in PL/SQL programs. It is nothing except a name given to a storage area. Each variable in the PL/SQL has a specific data type which defines the size and layout of the variable's memory. Let's see some points to be remembered while creating variables. A variable should not exceed 30 characters. Its letter optionally followed by more letters, $signs, numerals, underscore, etc. It needs to declare the variable first in the declaration section of a PL/SQL block before using it. And by default, variable names are not case sensitive. A reserved PL/SQL keyword cannot be used as a variable name. You can see syntax on your screen. It will help you to understand how to create a variable in PL/SQL. Now let's see some naming conventions and rules in PL/SQL. A variable in PL/SQL must follow some naming rules like other programming languages. The variable name should not exceed 30 characters. The name of the variable must begin with ASCII letter. The PL/SQL is not case sensitive, so it could be either lowercase or uppercase. You should make your variable easy to read and understand. After the first character, it may be any number, underscore or $sign. And not null is an optional specification on the variable. Now let's see a simple program to show how to write a simple program in PL/SQL. Remember, PL/SQL is only supported by Oracle Database. So you need to install it on your system. Now see the program. Now let's see PL/SQL if statements. PL/SQL supports the programming language features like conditional statements and iterative statements. Its programming constructs are similar to how you use in programming languages like Java and C++. See the syntax of if statement. Let's do an example of it. I am using Oracle 11g. You can use any other Oracle version after 7. PL/SQL was introduced in Oracle 7. Now see the example of if statement. Now let's see PL/SQL case statements. The PL/SQL case statement facilitates you to execute a sequence of statements based on a selector. A selector can be anything such as variable, function or an expression that the case statement checks to a Boolean value. The case statement works like the if statement, only using the keyword when. A case statement is evaluated from top to bottom. If it gets the condition true, then the corresponding then clause is executed and the execution goes to the end case clause. You can see the syntax on your screen. Let's understand it better with the example. See the example on your screen. Now let's see loop statements in PL/SQL. The PL/SQL loops are used to repeat the execution of one or more statements for specified number of times. These are also known as iterative control statements. You can see the syntax on your screen. There are 4 types of place SQL loops: basic loop or exit loop, while loop, for loop, and cursor for loop. We will see each loop in our upcoming example. Follow the example carefully. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.